Alright, what's up, y'all? If y'all wondering what's going on with my little get up here, man, you know what I'm saying? We got Handyman Hayella in the building. You know what I'm saying? So this basically just gonna be like one of the shortest videos I ever did. It's basically just something quick, like for all my handymen out there. You know what I'm saying? If y'all ever had issues with, hold on, look, turn my camera around. Y'all ever had issues with one of these cans right here? You know what I'm saying? If y'all a handyman, y'all know what this is. Y'all gotta fix a busted pipe or something. You know what I'm saying? This the cement. So I know a lot of people had problems with these. Like I just ran across with this one. Like that top, just it's stubborn, just would not come up. No matter how much force you put on it or nothing. You know what I'm saying? I even tried the screwdriver method. You know, I said get the screwdriver up under there, twist it, and nothing happened. As you can see. So, you know what I'm saying? Basically, what I did is, which, you know what I'm saying, should have been common sense to me, but you know, common sense ain't so common these days, is the old dirty vice grips. Yeah. As you can see, I got the primer over here. I had to use the vice grips for the primer, so that's the reason why I know it worked. Basically, you get this on here, like this, you know, you don't got to squeeze it and put a lot of pressure on there. You just get it on there good enough. Hold on one second, let me get my phone right. I ain't got my little stand, so hold on, I'm gonna bring it over here. I ain't got my tripod today, so you know I was on the job. So yeah, you just get them on there real good, nice up top where the ridge is at. Yep, that's all it takes right there. You should be good to go. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, so you know what I'm saying, if this video was helpful and you want to see more like it, you know what I'm saying, all you gotta do is just like it. If I get a lot of likes on that mud, then I'll do more videos like this. You know what I'm talking about? Go down and subscribe. You know the drill. You know what I'm saying? Out.